Listen to this. I'm starting this juggling thing, not because I want to be like the star in a circus or some kind of professional juggler, but I'm starting because my life used to feel like this. Everything was up in the air, nothing in control. And I want to train my mind and my breath and my patience in real time, right here with you watching, holding me accountable. All right, here we go. I got these for Christmas. I haven't even opened them since then. Like Christmas Day, maybe I threw them up in the air once. They all fell on the floor and I said, wow, that's not good. So I like to incorporate new tools for a new practice. So we're gonna do this, but there's something about anything you're about to grow with. You feel that you mix your curiosity with the idea of fear, like, oh, I hope I don't suck at this, man. But it's kind of the point. You're supposed to feel stuck. You're supposed to be sucky when you first start. Nobody comes out like perfect at anything. Practice, practice, practice. So these things, oops, I dropped one already. These things, they're gonna train my brain. They're gonna train my patience. And they're gonna show me exactly where I need to focus and how to focus and where to find focus again. So I'm probably gonna start with 3 and maybe even 2. And we're winging it, but that's okay because I'm gonna grow when I work with these. Juggling is simple, but it's sneaky. It forces you into patience. You can't juggle while you're thinking about your problems. You can't juggle while you're thinking about your past or someone who pissed you off. Your brain has to focus, has to connect to your hands, to your breath, your rhythm instantly. If you lose focus, you won't be able to juggle. It fits into the mind-body coaching motion. It teaches emotional regulation, reliance, and calm in the chaos. Every single drop is feedback, not failure. It's the lessons we always talk about. We wake up every morning, we get the test, and we learn the lessons. It's kind of backward from school, but we'll get in that in another day. Because in school, you take the test after you get the lessons. So we're gonna take the test and then learn the lessons. All right, we're gonna do this for 3 minutes. No cuts, no hiding. And this will be my first shot at this. So we're gonna grow from here. I plan on doing this 2 or 3 times a week. You can watch my progress. You can laugh at it, even if it's rough. And you could try this and laugh at yourself too. Just be human. That's the goal. We're human. Let's be human. So during this session, I'll be able to drop 1 or 2 and it's gonna be okay. All right, I guess what we'll do from this point is traditional juggling. But first, I gotta practice some techniques. Breathe. Take a breath in and out. Slow everything down. There it is. Ready? Whew, that's pretty cool. So you're gonna participate by watching me juggle as I learn. If you get yourself a set of these, they're just like hacky sacks or little beanbag balls. You could do this with me. So here we go. Ready? Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Whoa, that was pretty cool. Boom, 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 boom. You're gonna see the top of my head a lot. So the other thing that somebody told me once was just throw the ball up and catch it. Throw the ball up and catch it. That's why we're gonna use 2, right? So we throw the ball up, catch it, throw the ball up, catch it, throw the ball up, catch it. We practice like this. Because you gotta get the throw right, I think. Then maybe we could just go up, 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 up. How am I doing? Yeah. Oh boy. Reset. Let's take another breath in. Calm everything down. Reset. And keep going. Back to 3. Not gonna work out too good. Boy. I hope in a year from now I'm gonna be juggling like a madman. Patience, focus, it's so good for your brain. I think it's brain-hand connection with some heart, right? Total neuroscience. Oh boy, maybe I should go back to 2. Oh, that was good. I don't know who's got the timer. Is that 3 minutes yet? Because I'll come back and do this a few more times. Last round. And just for fun, we're going to try all 6. Well, that was fun. So that's day 1. Yeah. And here's the truth. You don't get better at anything unless you're willing to be bad at it at first. This is presence. This is patience. This is me training my mind right in front of you. If this connected with you, you're doing the work already. Even if you don't realize it, you're growing, you're learning. So keep going, you're worth it. And I'll see you in my next juggling video, which will be within 2 days. Thank you.